Wait. Stop. Time out. Call on the foul. This has an interchangeable guard lock. Say what? Boy, if you don't stop. Look at that smooth guard. Oh my goodness. YouTube, what's going on? It's Nice Swag. Welcome back to another video. We have the Tpob Candy Barber Clipper. Let's get this plastic out. Alrighty. And there she is. Alright. There's everything. Try to, not to get everything to fall all over me. Whoa, that is a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, here is the charging base with the connecting charger cord for the clipper. That's how you connect it in the back. Here is all of your guards. I think this is guard 0.5 to 8. There's all the guards. I think they're 1 through 8. There's the instructions. Okay, the manual. There's the lubricating oil and the brush to clean out the hairs in the clipper. All right, let's open this bad girl up and see what it's looking like. Packaging is so beautiful. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Sleek, fresh, wireless, see-through, wow. I mean, that is some craftsmanship. Rip this plastic off. These plastics irritate me, man. I just don't like them on my hand, so it's got to go. Give me a second. There it is. All right, let's turn this on. Okay. Listen to that motor. See the LED lights? It sees right through it. That is so dope. Let you know the percentage it's on. Fully charged right out of the box. The interchangeable guard lock. Oh, man. All my barbers and self-cuts, stop it. Time out. That interchangeable lock. Wow. I mean, wow. If you're a self-cutter or a barber, you know how important this is. Look at that shine. Look at that sleekness. The contour, the shape, the feel. 1 out of 10, I gotta give this a 9 because nothing is perfect but my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. But this clipper is OMG, my BFF Joe. Wow. Okay, there's the standing charge base. There it is. You can sit there by itself, take it when you need to. All right. Let's get these guards out of the way. Let's get all the stuff out of the way and clean this up. Okay. There's the review. All right, let's move all this packaging. Tuck all that away. And there's the review. I hope you have a blessed day. Stay tuned for more content. First and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you liked today's video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I thank you all. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below.